am here to talk about RISE, a research-based flagship outreach program of IIIT Bangalore. As a part of it, 25th of February 2023 will be the open house. On this day, IIITB will showcase to the outside world our research, innovation activities that are happening here, societal impact we are creating, and the startups we incubate are going to present their products as a part of the entrepreneurship drive we are planning. So here, if you come to our event, you may be able to look at the latest research in computer science, networks, and other areas we work in, and also you could see the new innovations that are happening, and also have an experience of the latest products that our startups are creating. That's one important takeaway for any enthusiast in any of these areas. Other than that, for even general public, you are all welcome, because it would be an interesting experience for you all to see what is the latest work that is happening in different areas of computer science. If you are a student, aspiring PhD or MTech student, you may be able to see and interact with our faculty and decide if you want to come to our institute at a later period. Thank you.